In this video, I will show you how to stop overheating on the Xbox Series X or S. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Xbox dashboard. Now, the first thing I would recommend is making sure that your console does, of course, have enough room around it for ventilation. As you can see from the picture on screen, there are vents located at certain parts of the console, so you want to make sure these are not covered. For example, you don't want to put your Xbox right next to the wall, or if it's on a TV stand, you want to make sure it's got enough room around it for it to breathe and ventilate properly. So once you've done that and you've made sure that your Xbox has enough adequate ventilation, what I would recommend doing is a power cycle on the Xbox. So to go ahead and do that, what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and press the Xbox guide button on your controller. Then you want to come and turn off your console. After you've gone ahead and turned off your console, what you're going to want to do is unplug the power cable from the back of the console and leave this unplugged for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. After doing this, go ahead and turn your console back on and see if it does turn on without overheating or any problems. Now, I just want to mention as well, with the Xbox Series S, it does get really hot, even if you do have adequate ventilation. Of course, there is enough fans installed in the console to support this, but I do find that the Xbox Series S does have a problem with getting hot, especially when you're playing large games and things like that. However, this is not really something to worry about, as the console is equipped with the necessary resources to control this. So if you've tried power cycling the console and you're still having no luck, what I would recommend doing, because this could be a hardware related issue, so what you're going to want to do is actually contact Microsoft support. When you contact Microsoft support, make sure to give them details of the problem, and what they're going to do is look into that and give you further advice. Of course, if your console is covered under warranty, you should be able to send that in for them to take a look at, and if there are any parts that need replacing, generally they will do this if it's covered under warranty. So that's a few things you can try if you want to stop your Xbox Series X or S from overheating. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.